Chimera OS versus Steam OS. So, which one is better? Let's find out. Number one is their features. Steam OS is Valve's official operating system built for the Steam Deck and PC gaming. It's optimized for Steam and offers seamless integration with Proton for Windows games. Chimera OS, on the other hand, is a community-driven gaming OS that supports multiple launchers, including Steam, Epic, GOG, and more. It's built for versatility beyond just Steam. Number 2, their ease of use. SteamOS has a polished interface which is designed for controller-first navigation, perfect for couch gaming. It's streamlined but somewhat limited if you want third-party launchers, while Chimera OS is also controller-friendly, but it's more customizable. It can be a bit harder to configure, but it gives you the flexibility if you want a one system for all launcher gaming experience. Number 3, compatibility. SteamOS shines for Steam games thanks to Proton and Valve's optimizations, while Chimera OS supports Steam as well, but it extends support to other storefronts out of the box, which makes it ideal for players with large multi-platform libraries. Number 4, their updates and stability. SteamOS gets consistent updates directly from Valve. It's reliable and officially supported, while Chimera OS gets updates about their community driven, and which means more frequent features, but sometimes it has less stability compared to Valve's OGs or OS. Number 5, their hardware support. Steam OS is primarily designed for Steam Deck and compatible PCs, so hardware support is limited, but it's well optimized. However, Chimera OS is designed to run on a wide range of hardware from living room PCs to custom builds. So, for final verdict, if you're mainly a Steam user and you want reliability and official support from SteamOS, then you can go for it. But if you want flexibility, multiple launchers, and customizable gaming experience, Chimera OS might be the right choice for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.